to draw a mobile phone? Let's draw with me. With these simple shapes, you can easily have a beautiful drawing from your mobile phone. Let's make our drawing more visible. It's time to color. Red, yellow, pink, and orange. Great! Pink again. Let's draw more. Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a playful little dog. Let's start with two small ovals for the eyes and a small triangle for the nose. Add a big happy smile to show the dog is having fun. We will add two ears on either side of the head like this. So cute! Next, draw the dog's body standing on top of its nest. Let's draw the nest under the dog. It's look cozy. Now it's time to draw the butterflies flying around the dog. Use small circles for the butterfly heads and big ovals for their wings. So pretty! It's time to color! Brown, red, gray and white orange for my playful dog. Use bright colors to paint the dog, nest and butterflies. For the roof of the nest. Pink and of course blue for the walls. And orange for the nest door can be a good choice. And from different and happy colors for the little butterflies. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. a Kit Kat. First, we start by drawing his eyes. Then, his head and ears. Look at this cute cat. Then we will draw his arms, his legs, and tail. The cat is playing with the ball. Jump, jump! The cat is so happy. Watch the cat jump to catch the ball. The ball rolls away and the cat runs after it. The cat is having so much fun. Let's go color this lovely cat. We use happy colors like pink, orange, red, and yellow to color the cat. Wow, we have a colorful bowl. Cats love to play, and kids love them too. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.